Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Strava and you will click here in this window. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.